to cut off my mic. I came back here.
Warmington.
Let me finish.
Member Warmington. On a point of order.
No.
On
Chairman, you don't call point of order.
From the chair. Member Warmington, you have several mics on, and I don't even need to call on any privilege as chair.
Madam
You
Speaker.
had other persons also making a point of order.
But they can't cut me off in the middle of it.
One have no clue if you're finished, and I didn't know
I
your
was
mic
not
was off.
I did not.
Morning, viewers and subscribers. When I see what going in the House of Parliament, you know what's me thing? I don't know why Andrew Holness make his wife the Speaker of the House. Yeah, man, I don't know why. And I think the PM make a wrong decision in putting his wife as Speaker of the House. Because she does not know to talk to people. She's very rude and disrespectful. But me like how Warmington turn up in a saddle and put her in her place and make sure she know, say, don't do it. Don't do it. She's too out of order. She behave like House of Parliament belongs to her, a fair place. And it's not the first she turn off mic from people. It's not the first. This woman needs to have some respect for people. She does not have none. Then if she behave so in her House of Parliament with the people, I'm going to turn off mic and I'm going to. Can you imagine how she behave here with her husband? Can you imagine how she behave at home with her husband? You can see that Juliet not so savvy in her headpiece, you know, because people were intelligent and were well educated would not be behaving as how she behaves. She's an educated dunce. Because a lot of people have little education, some have enough, but still are educated dunce. It was a wrong decision for her to go in the House of Parliament. She keep turning off these mics when people speaking up about their truths and their rights. You turning off mics on them. How dare you? Who do you think you are? Because you are the Prime Minister's wife that give you the right to be treating people and trampling over them like they are nobodies. But guess what? Mr. Warmington know him rights, you know. Him know him rights and him know the rules of the house. And Mr. Warmington stand up and speak up. And this man is not only speaking on the JLP behalf. He speak truths. He speak up for the Jamaican people. He's not a biased person. And that's what I respect about him. I respect that. Prime Minister, you need to sit down and have a serious conversation with your wife on her behavior in House of Parliament towards these parliamentarians. You need to sit down, talk to your wife, let your wife understand that House of Parliament does not belong to her. Stop turning off these mics on these people. Stop being rude and disrespectful. Stop acting as if you are at home. You are representing people. And these members who are in the house have a right to speak up. They have a right to talk. Give them a chance to talk and express themselves and bring forth across whatever they are bringing across. You turning off mics. Like you're trying to silence people. Why are you silencing these people? Why you think only you are the only one who is supposed to talk? And the way all you hear she a ball out, member. But Mr. Warmington did stand up and state his claim. Mrs. Holness, you need to look into yourself and stop what you are doing. Because it's not looking good on you. It's not looking good on you. As a Prime Minister's wife and a Speaker of the House, you act as if you are one of them ghetto girl the way where no have no intelligence. That's how you carry on. That's how you bring forth across yourself. That's why what's her name again? Burrell. A Burrell or Burchell, she name. Nikisha. Nikisha. That's why Nikisha called, said, you are a Yamed. That's why she classified you as a Yamed, because you do act like a Yamed. You are representing yourself like a Yamed. And these are the reasons why people classify you as that. Because you really speak up like a Yamed for true. Because you cannot be well educated and speak like that and carry on like that and representing the Prime Minister like that. I know the Prime Minister feel bad, you know. I know he's ashamed of your behavior sometimes, but because you're a bully and you are his wife, he's ashamed and afraid to tell you. But he needs to tell you the truth. He needs to tell you that, remember, you're in a House of Parliament, not in your home. You can drag up your home and shut down whatever you want shut down on your husband and your kids. But you dare not go in House of Parliament and shut down these mics on these people. This is not your personal space. People, them not in your bedroom. You carry like in your bedroom, them that you're out order and not have no behavior. Prime Minister, you need to put a leash on your wife. Put a leash on your wife. She need a serious leash. Now have no manners, no respect, no behavior. Who do you think you are? What kind of grounds you think you stand on that you think you can disrespect and manipulate people like that? Wow. Lady, pull up your socks here and fix up yourself and stop carrying like how you're carrying, because it's not looking good. Anyway, my people, don't have a blessed day, you know.
So kindly complete your statement.
Madam Chairman, may I say to you, you cannot call point of order as chairman and speaker.
I don't even
point
want to
of
use
order
privilege.
Can come from only the floor, not from you.
You had one from the floor.
No. The chairman can't call point of order on me. We can call point of order, not the chair or the speaker. But I'm saying that I've never seen it in my 30 years here.
Yes, and you have said that before, and you do not repeat in the House. Complete your complete your intervention, Member Warmington. Member Warmington.
Madam Chairman.
Complete your intervention without repetition.
I have the greatest respect for you, but do not. I have the largest number of votes in this House, 10,000 plus. So do not do it. And don't cut me off either. Let me speak. I'm saying when a member raises an issue, his only minister can respond in his house, not permanent secretary officers. I'm trying to the attention of this house. I came in Haiti, never before. But I don't finish yet. Don't cut me off. I'm saying only the minister can respond. The permanent secretary, technical officer must advise her what to say. Don't cut off my mic, you know. Don't do it again.
Are you finished, Member Warmington? You're finished? You have a... Okay. Thank you.